Go, Daddy! So, we are now, we're able now to grab our coffee. So, hanapin natin yung kids. So, they are buying their breakfast in McDonald's. So, sabi namin take out na lang kasi malilate na kami sa boarding namin. Sa boat bound to Macau. So, marami rin kainan dito. O, merong Jisen Ramen. Siyempre, may KFC din. May McDonald's. At marami pang iba. Ayun, nakita ko si Minnie at saka si Mickey Mouse. Oh. Minnie and Mickey friends. Ayun, nasa yung mga kids. Ito, may mga bread, belly. Dami din options pala dahil. Ayun, no, this is another one. Ili. Ayan, so this is the area for turbojet pala dahil. So dito kami aakyat later for our trip to Macau. Coco Express. So sana yung kids? Andun sila. Ayun, kita ko na sila. So, they're ordering breakfast here in McDonald's. Okay. Hi guys. How's your takeout? Take-out ba? Nag-take-out kayo? Where's Kuya? Hi Kuya. Relax ka dyan, ah.
Kahit mo.
Ano lang?